L-4 ġimnedi ssir ġdid minn SOS Malta bl-isem ta' Citizens Lab fejn wieħed se jkollu ċans jesprimi lilu nnifsu tassew blan li l-Maltin ikunu attivi fis-soċjetà permezz ta' ideat ġodda. Dan se jsir permezz ta' artikli fejn wieħed se jkun jista' jibda diskussjoni dwar suġġett li ilu jberren fuq moħħu. Il-Project Officer ta' dan is-sit, Kristina Bela, spjegatilna aħjar lan wara dan il-proġett.
This website is really important because many people feel like there isn't enough being done within the community to fight for human rights, good governance, rule of law, and we hope to inspire people to act, to connect people, and to create a space where they feel empowered to act.
Jispjegatilna x'qed jittamaw li joħroġ minn dan il-proġett.
I hope that we give enough of a space and a platform for youth to feel empowered and heard, rather than having this top-down kind of approach. We would like to see them give us their opinion and their input. And it's not just youth, it's open to the public, but we focus on youth because we feel like they are the next generation and they don't feel listened to enough.
Barra artikli ta' kuljum fuq is-sit se jkun hemm disponibbli assistenza ta' avukati u ambjentalisti fost l-oħrajn, filwaqt li se jkun hemm ukoll mappa ta' gwida l-clean-ups u attivitajiet ta' fundraising.
We expect people to feel as though if they feel stuck at some point, let's say they might be organizing a clean-up or an initiative and they're not sure where to start or how to go about something to do with the project, they can contact us and we can connect them with experts within the field. There's a lot of knowledge that people have accumulated over the years, and when I say people, and also organizations, and the time has come for a website or a platform in which people can share this knowledge so that we can build on what we already build on the resources we've already accumulated.
Bħalissa SOS Malta ddejja b'kompetizzjoni fejn wieħed mħeġġeġ jibgħat ritratti, illustrazzjonijiet u proża bit-tema tkun belonging u s-sem tal-individwu fis-soċjetà.